In this tutorial I will show you how to prepare or configure the Qualitiywings RGs for the approach and landing. So let's get started. We just passed 10,000 feet. Now I have to turn on the landing lights. PTO select to on, and for the air settings, in case of an overshooting, I need a maximum go round power available. So in this case I have to use APU air instead of the engine air. So I can configure this right now, starting with the APU start switch to start. I'll wait for the APU power available green lights to come on. Now the APU power is available. Now I can select APU air to on, then engine air switches select to off. Air configuration is done. Now we are at 50 nautical miles to final fix, which is FOLFO. Now I will start reducing my speed and configure my aircraft for the landing. Select thrust to on, and using the speed knob I set my speed to 160. Now I'll go to my FS panel and select navigation display source to VL mode. Localizer 1 in ND confirmed. Localizer arm. Localizer 1 white confirmed. Localizer deviation indicator is alive and glide slope indicator is alive. Now I select approach mode. Lock green, GS1 white checked. Speed at the V dot, flaps 18, glide slope at half that, gear down. And 3 green. I select now my flaps to 24 and set the speed to 143. The blue bug overlapping the V-cross checked. GS green checked. And now I set my heading to the runway heading, which is 57. My missed approach altitude is 3000 and it's set checked. Toga set to max, checked. Now I select my flaps to 33 degrees and the speed set to VRF plus 5, which is in my case 128. And now I'm flying at the approach speed shown by the blue buck, and the one symbol in magenta represents my VRF. Now I disconnect the autopilot and I will fly the approach manually using the flight director.
Approaching decision height.
Auto throttle disconnect.
Minimums.
Continue.
$100. 60. 50. 40.
Slowly I retard
30.
my power to the idle.
20. 10.
Spoilers full out, checked. Apply brakes to slow down the aircraft. And this complete this tutorial. In the next video I'll discuss the after landing and securing the aircraft procedures. See you there.